this video, I will take you through the process of creating an event organizer account on SmartCast. Start by visiting smartcastonline.com, which will take you to our homepage featuring all ticketed events and voting competitions. Next, select Sell Tickets right here. If you already have an account, simply enter your login information. If not, click Sign Up. Enter your phone name, your active email address, and create a password. A one-time password will be sent to your email address. Enter the code and you're in. Now, click the Get Started button and enter your organization or company name. Next, enter your contact name. This could be your name or the name of the person handling tickets. Finally, enter your active phone number. This number will be used to receive one-time passwords when initiating withdrawals. Once you are done, you're all set. Welcome to SmartCast as an event organizer. Thank you, and we wish you a successful event.